Hey everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake here. I'm here at the Drake Center to talk to you a little bit today about heartworm disease, a little bit of confusion, and people will have some questions about it. So I'm here to answer those questions for you.
Dr. Drake, what is heartworm disease?
Heartworm disease is a microfilarial disease transmitted by mosquitoes. It's actually, so when the mosquito takes a blood meal, it is infected with a microfilarial, which is just a microscopic like little worm. It enters the bloodstream when they take a blood meal, and it takes several moltings before it actually turns into a worm and lands in the heart of a dog. So it actually is worms inside the heart. It's a devastating disease, 100% preventable with the use of Sentinel once a month.
Does heartworm affect both cats and dogs?
Yes, heartworm does affect both dogs and cats. We do recommend a specific product for cats as well as dogs. In cats, it's not the same. It comes up more as a sort of an asthma type of disease that they get, sort of an inflammatory condition in their lungs. In dogs, it is a heart disease that is fatal if not treated. The treatment's pretty harsh, so by far we prefer to prevent heartworm disease.
What are some signs that my pet may be suffering from heartworm disease?
Yeah, so for cats, it's coughing. Vomiting can also be a cause. In cats, it can be really difficult to diagnose. It's not nearly as straightforward as it is with dogs. With dogs, it is simply a blood test that we use to diagnose heartworm disease. We do want to check dogs once a year. It's not super common in Southern California to have heartworm, but it is here, and it is, like I said, a very terrible and fatal disease. So our preference is to test once a year and keep you on a preventative once a month. Signs in dogs do not occur until the dog is in heart failure due to serious heart disease. So it will take usually like anywhere between 12 months and 24 months before they develop the heart failure from heartworm disease.
How soon should my pet be tested for heartworm disease?
We start testing dogs as young as 6 months if they have not been on a preventative. If they start a preventative as puppies, then we're going to just test them once a year at their annual exam.
All right, last question. What are some ways and products to prevent heartworm disease in my pet?
So in dogs, we use the product called Sentinel once a month. Sentinel has a combination of intestinal parasite control. It also is controlling fleas in your house by any pet that's on Sentinel. The eggs that the fleas may lay are never viable, so you would keep your house 100% flea-free on Sentinel, and it prevents heartworm. So it's super easy. You give it with a meal once a month, and it does a lot of things, and it's by far the safest and best product out there for heartworm prevention, flea control, and intestinal parasites. For cats, we use a product called Revolution, and it's a topical used on cats, super safe as well, and also has some other benefits, but those are the two products we recommend for dogs and cats. If you have any other questions about heartworm disease or anything else, give us a call at the Drake Center.